Alright guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to take care of faded clear coat. As you can see, this hood, it's from a GMC. All the clear has been faded really bad. So I'm going to sand it down and reshoot it, respray it. So let me show you how to do it, and let's get started. Alright guys, I'm going to be starting with 220 on the DA. Go all over the hood and go from there. Alright, after sanding with a 220, all the bad clear coat has been taken off. So now I'm going to start sanding with 320. The whole panel again. So let me start doing that. Alright, after everything has been sanded, I started with 220, then 320, then 400, and all the clear coat that was flaking off has been taken off. So now it's Master Pro wax and grease remover. I'm going to be using a microfiber towel and wiping it down and getting it ready for base. Alright, the hood has been wax and grease removed, so it's ready to spray. I'm going to start spraying on the primer surfaces area first. That way I can cover that area first. Then I'll do a couple of mists of coats on top of everything. So let's get started. Alright guys, I'll be using this air fan by Wallacom also. It helps me dry the paint a lot quicker. As you can tell, it's drying really quick. I'm still waiting about 5 to 10 minutes in between coats after I dry it. Real quick, guys, on the filtration, it has been about 4 vehicles that I have painted, and it's barely turning pink. So it's time for me to change this desiccant. But I guess you can get at least 4 full paint jobs with 1 full canister of desiccant. So that's not bad. I'm gonna be changing it and keep on going. Alright guys, after 3 wet coats of base and a light mist control coat, it's ready. It's ready for the clear. Everything's uniform. All the metallics have are uniform also. So it's ready for the clear coat. Let me show you the clear coat that I'm going to be using. It's a Shopline polyurethane clear coat with a slow hardener. That's the one I'm going to be using for this one. And here we go, guys. Here we go. Alright guys, this is the final result. The paint matched perfect, as you can see. And this is another one, man. Guys, don't forget to share, subscribe, like the video, hit the link below if you can help me out. And see you in the next one.